Hello Deverners, Mrs Whitehouse again. I'm going to show you how to make a lovely handprint using Zentangles, which are doodles. If I show you how to do this, you need a piece of paper or a piece of card you can do it on, and you need your hand or someone else's hand. And you put your hand onto the table and draw around your hand. Now this sometimes needs someone else to help you. You can draw around someone else's hand if you prefer. You draw all the way around your fingers, keep everything nice and still. If you're using a grown-up's hand, it's going to be a lot bigger than yours, so you're going to have lots more spaces to do your little doodles in. There, that's my hand. Okay, now to do your little doodles, you need some spaces to doodle in. So you make some little spaces by using your pen to cut into the lines. Using a handwriting pen is a really good idea because it's a nice thin end and it's not too thick, so it will make a nice design on your paper. Check what you have at home. If you have some felt pens, you can do it with felt pens, but one of these is really good if you happen to have one of these at home. So I'm cutting my little finger shapes into spaces. And then across the palm of my hand I shall do some slightly bigger spaces. Okay, so that's your area that you're going to draw into, and then you pick some designs that you're going to choose. So things like stars, little snail shapes, little triangles, squares, so I'm going to begin, or circles, I quite like circles as well. So I'm going to begin by starting on my thumb, and I'm going to put an extra line in here, and I'm going to add some circles into it. And I might do that over here as well. And it's just moving into the different shapes. If you make a mistake, you try and just make something out of your little mistake, which is quite a nice thing to have to do. So each of my fingers is going to have one of these little areas. If you wanted to, you could put you could put a dot in each one. You could put another little circle inside it. To make this as detailed as you can get, because it makes it look really amazing. Now along this line here, I'm going to do some sort of triangle shapes. Sort of a zigzag line. And then I might do a little arched edge here, just to make the lines look a little bit more interesting. Okay, take your time with this, because the neater you can make it, the better your end result will be. It's something that you need a little bit of patience with, but it's really relaxing to do this. And it's great fun, and you don't have to finish it all at once. You could just do a little bit and then go away and come back again, so you don't have to finish the whole thing at once. If I had a different sort of shape, I could be doing something like this, which is quite nice. And at the end of those little dangly bits I could do some black circles. Now if you wanted to change and have a different colour in here, you can do. So we could do some little square shapes just to make it look a little bit different. So you can do really what you like. These are normally done just in black and white, but I think we could bend the rules a bit. Do one more here. Okay, and you keep going and filling your design until you have exactly what you're after. Something like this, which was done by a friend of mine, is a completed hand with all the fingers filled in, nice little shapes down here. And you just have a nice design. It's really good, really nice to do. And you could put that on your fridge or make a picture out of it or something. Hope you enjoy doing your Zentangles, and I'll see you soon. I'll see you next time. Keep well. Bye everybody.